How to fix too many requests in ChatGPT. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. In this short tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the too many requests error in ChatGPT. Now, you will probably get this error when there is too much traffic in ChatGPT. So what you're going to do is you can either go to the OpenAI website, and once you're over there, you can see, the traffic in ChatGPT. And what you can do is you're going to come down here, and over here they obviously in the operational section you can see all the traffic that goes on in ChatGPT, and according to it you can come down and join if you want to, or you can just reload your page, keep reloading it and wait for it, so as soon as someone leaves you're going to get right in straight away. That is also a great way. Or the third, and which is the best way in my opinion, is just go on the ChatGPT Chrome extension. And you can just use the Chrome extension, and what's going to happen, here you go, ChatGPT for Chrome, what's going to happen is now you just have a Chrome extension up in the top right, which will help you with everything. So yeah, that is how you get rid of the too much requests error.
Make money with AI today. Download a free guide now at AImoneytips.com.